Hello, so this is going to be video 3 of Vlog-O-Ween. I am just going to be packing up some of these for mystery bags. These are cat toys. I'm also going to be working on some of these bandanas. I'm not going to be sewing on video just because it's super loud, but I do need to turn these right side out, pin them, trace a guideline so I can finish sewing them later. I am thinking about doing a video later that will be me sewing, but I'll just cut out the audio and replace it with some sort of music maybe. Just so you're not listening to very annoying sewing sounds, machine sounds. But yeah, so for this I have a bunch of group of cat toys. These have catnip in them. These do not. You can sprinkle catnip on these. They're just little fleece tie things. And I'm going to an event tomorrow and I like to have grab bags. They're just something cheap and easy and everyone likes a mystery, right? So I have these cute little bags. They're just have little different prints. Some are plain. Then I'm going to put these in. I'm hoping that I have some new bags I haven't used before. I'm hoping these will fit in there, but I'm not completely sure. So we'll try one of these first to see if it's even going to work. I like how it has a little hedgehog on top. So it's going to drop. See, this one has like dream catchers on it. Put one of the polka dot ones in here. I have a tripod in front of me for this so I can kind of see what's going in is on the screen, but it is a little bit awkward. So let me just get this situated in here real quick. Okay, I think that'll be good. So then what I'm going to do is fold over the top. I might just fold this part up here. I'm not sure. We will see. I think that'll be cute. So I'll staple the top here. I just do one staple. I don't want to make them like difficult to open or anything, but I don't want people peeking in them either. And I hit the tripod, of course. So let's do a single little staple like that, and then I like to write a little note. I'll probably do it on the back of these since these ones are cute on the front. And I put like a description, like sometimes I do girly or a woodland, things like that. But pretty much the hint for these would almost all be the same. So I'm not sure that I'll actually do hints on these. I actually think I'll leave these be since they are kind of all similar. And that'll be a mystery to me as well. But I do have other grab bags I do that have 2 or 3 of just pillow toys like this. These will be cheaper toys, grab bag toys. So there will be one. And we'll do this plain one. I have one more of these plain ones here. We'll put a tribal toy in it, and then a pink and a bright purple of these. Drop those in there. These, to turn it in there like that. I probably will write the price on them. These will only be like $4, so I might go ahead and write that on there. So like that. Got a little staple on here. I think I have one of my other ones back here. Well, this one I have writing all over it because it's going to be sent off to a charity auction thing. So normally they don't have all kinds of writing like this on here, but like this one says summer fun, so it's like summary prints. And then normally, which I forgot to do in that one too, I stick a business card in there, so I'm going to do that for the other ones. So these two won't have business cards in them. I might stick them on the back like I did for the other ones. Let's see, I have 4 more. Okay, so we got this cute little woodland one. And I think I'm going to stick these ones in here. So we got a light pink little twist. We call these kitty twist. A feather toy. All these ones with catnip. and then a light gray. So it'll be stuck down in there like that. And just fold over the top. And I forgot to stick a business card in there again. See, I'm really bad about that on these. I keep hitting this tripod. I am so sorry. So put a business card in there and then staple it. So I'm going to write on the back of these real quick. I think I'll do it in this metallic Sharpie. Unless we can't see it very well, then I'll change it. And I'm just going to write on the back. And I don't know if I'm able to do this with the tripod right in front of me, but we'll see. Or am I right on the bottom? Maybe I'll write on the bottom. Well, by the way my light's hitting this, you can't really see. But in person, you can see it. It's very shiny. Might be able to see it on this one. This will also help me keep track of the difference between the two. This one doesn't have a bottom, so we'll just write it on the bottom of the back side. One more here. Okay, so that's it on those, and we're going to do these candy corn bandanas now. I'll get these put off to the side. So I can get these situated. Over the color so they can fit a wide variety of animals. Maybe some ghosts. Okay, so this one's right side out. And these. It comes right off, but it will stay long enough for me to get a line sewn right across the top here. Yes, it is black. I have to go over it several times for it to even show up. is ready to sew now. We have 5 of the large, 1 medium, and 4 of the small. So all I have to do is do the finishing seams on these and add my little logo tags. Let me see if I have one in here to show you. Well, here's one that's on a tie-on bandana. So you can kind of see, yeah, it's focusing. It's just a little wooden tag that has my text logo, Playful Fox & Co. So that always goes on the little corners here. Super cute little touch. So yeah, I'll be finishing these and hopefully getting all of my Halloween stuff ready for this event tomorrow, along with some other things. And I do have one other order I'm waiting to finish tonight as well. So I'm going to ship that out in the morning before I start heading to the event. Thank you so much for watching. This is video number 3. I will get number 4 out soon. And then, let's see, either video 4 or video 5 should be of the event tomorrow. Just depends if I decide to do another video before the event or not. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out for the next Vlog-O-Ween video.